what is an operating system? Operating system habadi karino operating system habadi aikoigi aigi hardware jiga user aiga anijigi marakta lairiba sagi layer duneba ko aduga mana aigi sagi machine ji yam line and command to use to hangedagi habdo aigi machine ji yam line aikoide use to holije operating system jina neba ko. For example, operating system example li kari no Windows is an example of operating system. Android aikoigi mobile da hapiba Android harise Android is also an operating system. Aduri computer khara da hapiba Linux hariba sisu operating system makalamani adudagi adumain tawdana hojiki aikoigi Apple computer yoriba Mac OS ka hariba se Mac OS is also an operating system. Aduna operating system haiba mane compiler haiba mane.
Here reading the value of
sigis na koigi aino haiba variable adudagi variable si kamai tawdana sida assign tawba memory location da si yaur leba haiba mayam joni adudagi sigisna sini classification of software ji makal ani classified to be application software haiba system software haiba and system software to the operating system compilers neba the application software haizna akoina seasonariba Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, ade akoina seasonariba Zoom Meet toriba Zoom adulagi akoigi mobile yoriba game mayam, all of these are application softwares. Aduna sigi lecture jina hajiki two types of software, system software amasung application software habdo ani sigi matangda yam phajana takpa lecture ni sigi lecture ju jingchin badi yam kanabani ko aduna sigi jamasu jangjalo adudagi what we are going to do today, we are going to learn how to install Python on our computer, and if we don't want to install Python on our computer, then we can run Python on the cloud to Python run to vi ba adu animakto ko hojik yenga seba ba aduna sigisi aina ekoigi horokum patamda share tokibada yaramani selere regarding Python, you can either install Anaconda or use Google Colab sigi anizini ko. So sina Google Colab, sina Anaconda. So first let me open Anaconda. Let me click here and open Anaconda. Anaconda is opening. So it is for those of you who have laptop or desktop at home. You can install Anaconda on your laptop or desktop. So, sigi Anaconda se yamna kanaba aduga bazi mangondazu extra library, extra packages mayam yauba software package amani ko aduna akhoi sida anaconda.com da changani ko anaconda.com da changani products da changani individual edition da changani adudagi di sigi page la ani sida Anaconda individual edition sida thoi ko aduna sigi zina sigi website sina aigi laptop sigi operating system je mana automatically detect tawre ko mana Windows ni na mana detect tawre aduna Anaconda installer ji Windows ki Anaconda installer ji download tawro ana sida option pire ko sida option pire, and this is a huge file sigi Python 3.8 yaure mangonda ko Anaconda ji da yaure si Python 3.8 ni maru ni yaure si aduga aigi operating system Windows is 64-bit oibana maram oina 64-bit graphical installer di mana piri se aduga size na kyam chawi 477 MB chaw kare ko sini ko aduna hojik se Python ji maru oina Python ji ani hojik Python makal ani sejinai amana kaino amana Python 2 amana Python 3 Python 2 jina hana dagi sejinarpa khar liraba version Python 3 jina anoba version neba ko aduna 3.1 3.2 3.3 mathang laga hojik 3.8 sureba ko aduna akoina sizinnagadorisi we are going to use Python 3 Python 3 bu already are 3.6 oigera 3.7 oigera 3.8 oigera yeah they are we are going to use Python 3 so sigiji I have already downloaded this and installed this on my computer aduna say I hojik download tawroige I computer da already download tawroga install tawroga yaroga leire ko aduna adu noina download tawge haragadi sida click tawroga download tawgadabani ko sigiji malere and this file is quite large 477 megabyte so for 477 megabytes loigi data plan de sesinagradi data plan da irem lemhoroi aduna kari to you can download this on Sundays akoigi online class tawidaba numit Sunday gumba amada download tawro aduga install tawro okay sigi malere so this is Anaconda and let me show how Anaconda works let me stop the sharing and now let me share my whole desktop instead of a single window I give whole desktop so in a shared let me share my whole screen I give whole screen so in a shared share can you see my whole screen
Yes sir
okay now here I will type say the type here to search makhaze sigi left hand bottom corner is the I'll type Anaconda ID install to bolu ikhamni ko aduna I'll type Anaconda navigator Anaconda navigator type to bukanda sit pole uraba Anaconda navigator app ko so sigi Anaconda navigator app se I'll open this app yarba sigi app se kara slow japani aduna masi hangbada ngatang matam jangani ko aduna I'll open this Anaconda navigator app open toroge ko ma open tawada ngatang matam lawrani okay we can wait and this is your attendance as you can do here as Anaconda navigator do ma hangbagi hangainari da we can look at the second part Colab research this is Google Colab let me click here and this will open Colab Google Colab Google Colab hangi ko Google Colab sina kanana sesina gatabano haragadi who should use Google Colab ID if you are using Google Colab you don't need to install Python on your computer aduna ai computer Python install tawdragasu Python program run tawge haragadi ai Google Colab sida haije Google Collaboratory Google Colab welcome to Collaboratory Google masidi internet se khar tappe Google Colab sida changba yagane ba kare ko aduna Google Collaboratory sigi sidaida akoina browser ama tawraga you can run this either from your computer or from your mobile phone you open a browser and you search for Google Colab Google Colab COLAB Google Colab and search tawrani adudagi disi tholani what is Colab natragana sigi Colab research the click to bukanda sigi https Colab research the click to matam da automatically Google Colab tholani this is Google Colab and what is Google Colab Collaboratory or Colab for short allows you to write and execute Python in your browser with zero configuration required free access to graphical processing units and easy sharing whether you are a student a data scientist or an artificial intelligence researcher Colab can make your work easier watch introduction to Colab to learn more or just get started below Siniko, this is Google Colab. Aduna, I coin Python J I computer install to one maitre. We can go to Google Colab. We can go to this website. Adurigi amu I yum the laptop na trigger desktop like trigger D. I can open a browser on my mobile phone and I can go to Google Colab. Google Colab and a search Torosiare Natraga say the I Google Classroom the in a link period like Ramiko, Sigi link to the click Torosiare. This link will take you to this page. Sigi page the la never. That link will this link will take you to this page. Sigi Google Colab page the la Nika. Okay. Azuragidi equine kaidore file the changani file changani adudagi new notebook select new notebook hangani. It will open a new Colab notebook. Ko man loading tori masi internet che khar tape aduna matam khar change. Okay, now now this is a new file opened on Google Colab. Aduregi sireda cursor am blink tori at this point here you can insert your Python program. Sigi jaga you can insert your Python program. Insert our for example equine yam line example am yengsi Python program da. So the print within bracket within inverted commas within quotes high hello world. This is a Python command. Print hello world have Python command say let me run this command by clicking here. Click toga. Let me run the cell. I am writing this print command inside this cell. So when I click here, when I move my cursor here, it says run cell. You can either press Control Enter also. Control Enter numbers you are the triangle play manba button click torso. Mana Python command z command c run to hore. Yellow site Google Cloud to the connect this is connecting to Python 3 Google connecting to Python 3 Google Compute Engine backend. Initialize Tauri Aduga Sina Hanba Hobagi Matam Ketang Changba. The Giyango Mana Hosig RAM 12.69 GB RAM, 107 GB disk, Mana Google Neco RAM 12.69 GB disk, stay on cost that guidance site. RAM 12.69 GB disk, 107.72 GB. 12.69 GB RAM, we are using only 0.75 GB RAM. Correct. So print hello world have say hello world print out. Correct. Okay. Now let command we should create new cells. New cells create only here you can click plus the plus high code check. So click to another cell another cells we can further write Python commands. Python program this is how you run a Python program in Google Colab. I know whatever I program do cells then you press this play button or you press Control Enter. You can also press Shift Enter. Control Enter Shift Enter. Shift Enter numbers so for example 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. See I see the run to the answer will be 3. This is a valid Python command. The output will be 3. See 1 plus 2 is the Thamaga Sagi plays number nataba. Shift a keyboard shift enter number shift enter. Mana output to Tolakani and over Seramus create or Caneva. sai khena buse aina sidagida sigi play button is the run cell jidan nam targadi it gives me only the output. But instead of pressing on this button, if I press shift and enter on my keyboard, it will produce the output and also create a new empty cell. Empty cell I'm going to create down here. Aduna shift enter is my neighbor. Aduna hojik I sigi Python cell jig Python command kaya matang run tawre 1 2 3 4 hojik sigi cell jai ahum log run tawre ko aduna so mari suba output ne was tolise. So this is how to use Google Colab. We'll come back to this. Without installing Python on your laptop, you can run Python commands on Google Colab. Google Colab. Sigi file maming here, click here. Backspace delete Toroni. I can write this is my file. Natraga my file. My file. Maming thonbiya. Sigi my file haga enter Toro. Now the file will be renamed. .ipynb is IPython notebook. IPython notebook. This is interactive Python. This is called notebook interface. The Uri was a notebook interface. Notebook interface. The IPython notebook. Say, line hangwe. So notebook interface. They file extension IPynb. Sigi file extension okay. So this is Colab. Google Colab, and this is very similar to Colab notebook. Colab notebook. This is Google Colab. Okay, let me move to Anaconda. I think say Anaconda gi navigator hangi ko. We had open Anaconda navigator. So here is the Anaconda navigator. Let me click here. This is called Anaconda navigator. Let me maximize it. Laptop se khar tape. Sida ekoina season nagado si karino. Ekoina season nagado si sida yariba Jupyter. Jupyter, Jupyter notebook. We are going to use this Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook is season nagani. Google Colab to notebook. Makalamani. Google Colab is a notebook which is based on this Jupyter notebook. See Jupyter notebook se matau tamaga same gi baneba Google Colab ta. Adagi Jupyter notebooks kaino. It is a web-based interactive computing notebook environment. You can edit and run human readable docs while describing the data analysis here. See Jupyter notebook se hangi ID you click launch. See launch le click tawani ka. When we click launch here, it will open the Jupyter notebook. It might take some time. Instead of this Jupyter notebook, we can also use the Spyder, SPYDER. Jupyter notebooks Spyder is, and what is Spyder? Spyder is a scientific Python development environment, this is a powerful Python IDE with advanced editing, interactive testing, debugging, and introspection features. You can either use Jupyter notebook or you can either use Spyder. Jupyter notebook to launch hangbagi matam lawri male hangdri hangakini ka. Spyders is if you want to open Spyder, you click launch here. I think Spyder is already open here. So there is already an instance of Anaconda navigator already running. Okay. Spyders are hungry. So let us wait for the Jupyter notebook to open. Nasi dikara slow sale, internet slow sale, laptop slow sale. So the launch the Jupyter notebook and when you see the Jupyter Notebook, you can find the similarity between Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab Notebook. Sigi Jupyter Notebook hangakador siga ayang sayeng riba Google Colab Notebook siga Jupyter Notebook to yamana ganeba. Kaya hay patamda sigi Colab Notebook se Jupyter Notebook to mana basem gibaneba. So let us wait for a while till the Jupyter Notebook opens. So this is the. In the meantime, I'll stop. Okay. No. I'll keep the screen sharing on. Jupyter Notebook. This is the Anaconda Navigator. This is the Jupyter Lab. The Gluevis the Orange 3 R Studio VS Code. Sigi installed Tawdri, Sigi Maris Mozu installed Tawdri. This R Studio has Karino have Matamda R have a programming language among and which is very good for statistical analysis. Adugi R study. Okay, now our Jupyter Notebook has opened. This is Jupyter Notebook. This is the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, this is Jupyter. So Jupyter Jupyter Notebook. Marak Stida Elangwam Samananda raise hand. Okay, Samananda, you have a question. Kari question later hero.
Sir, the IDE name the full form can.
Oh, see,
Python IDE.
Integrated development environment have integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. Okay. The computational physics again. Let me go to computational physics. Okay. This is my computational physics folder. Already IPython notebook IPYNB IPython notebook mayam saraga leireba sigi mayam si manungdagi ama heta hangba yai natragana or si mayam si if I want to open a new notebook, you can see on the right hand side, this right hand side you can see my cursor. So new have a move around new, that is new. New is the click toro, you click Python 3. And what will this do? This will create a new notebook with Python 3. So let me click here. Let me show it to you again. To click on new and click on Python 3. It will create a new notebook, Jupyter Notebook. This will create a new Jupyter Notebook. And this new Jupyter Notebook will look like a new Google Colab notebook. This is my new Jupyter Notebook. Google Colab notebook. This is Google Colab notebook. This is cell money. This is one cell. This is another cell. This is another cell. Now here is a Jupyter Notebook. This is a cell. This is cell money. We can write command print within bracket, within quotes, hello world. Hello world, WORLD. Hello world. You can either click run, click the way run, click over the hello world. Or instead of run, you can type control enter numbers UI. Say for example, second thing 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. When I press control and enter on my keyboard, so control enter num give control enter name 4 tare another cell create another cell create to get a plus number CI plus number kind another cell create so that 3 plus 7 only. So I control enter to wagi mahuta shift enter toraba. Shift enter namagadi I answer ju pira ani adigi new cell ama ju create torganeba. So let me press shift enter. Shift enter. Mana answer ju pira kani anobu cell ama ju create torganeba. So this is Jupyter Notebook, and you can see the similarity with the Google Colab notebook. See Google Colab notebook is Jupyter Notebook yang the same given. Okay. This is Jupyter Notebook, and this is Google Colab Notebook. Jupyter Notebooks now you get this after installing Anaconda on your computer. So I think I am running out of time.